Hello students, hope you all are well, keeping fine by the grace of God and studying also. We have completed chapter 2 latitudes and longitudes previously, and I have given you exercises and question answer also on the online portal. Today we are going to do chapter 6. In half yearly syllabus, after chapter 2 you have chapter 6. Chapter 6 is what? Lesson 6, desert regions. So before that, all of you take your book. Open page number 28. Page number 28, the chapter is desert region. Alright, in this chapter, the first introduction is given to you. What is the introduction given? That if you look at the globe, you will see mostly the globe is in which color? Blue color. Why? Because we had learned previous classes also. It looks blue in color because of presence of water. And I had told you 71% of the earth is covered with water and remaining 29% is land. So in that land area, dry area, we have deserts also. Okay. So what is deserts? Right, in the first paragraph, if you see, it is written in the first line, the remaining 1/3 of the earth's surface is exposed as dry land for us to live on, and 1/3 of that dry land is really dry and comes under desert. Okay, so what is desert? When you think of desert in your mind, the picture of sand comes. No? When somebody said desert, so automatically your mind will have a picture of sand, Registan, or maybe the Rajasthan. But desert is not only one type. You have hot desert, you have cold desert, you have coastal desert. Okay, so there are different types of desert. Okay, so hot desert is where you find sand all over the place, and cold desert which is covered with ice. Coastal desert which are close to the rivers, or we can say the sea or oceans. Alright, semi-arid deserts are there, which are land areas but not getting proper rainfall, not as dry as hot desert. Okay, so we have 4 types of deserts also. So first, what is desert? So desert is any land area. It can be hot or cold, but getting very less precipitation. Precipitation means getting very less rainfall. How much? At least 25 centimeter. Gets less than. So desert is any hot or cold area which gets less than, okay, less than 25% of rainfall. So I will write here 25 centimeter rainfall. So clear what is desert? Any hot or cold area, okay, no matter it is actually a piece of land. So any hot or cold land area which gets less than 25 centimeter of rainfall. So any area which is getting less than 25 centimeter of rainfall is your desert. It can be a sandy desert, it can be a icy desert covered with snow. So clear desert, desert, a place which is getting very less rainfall. Less means to say below 25 centimeter. Clear? Next, you have, it is asked, telling you about how this deserts are formed. Formation of desert. Second paragraph. Formation. How these deserts are formed. So second paragraph says, deserts are formed by natural and man-made actions. So some deserts are naturally present and some deserts are formed by human being. How by human being? By our activities. What activities? We cut off the trees, we cut off the forest, and because of that deforestation, there is lot of soil erosion. The soil is blown up by the wind and the soil is taken away by the water. When you cut the tree, what happens? If there are trees, the soil is held up with the roots. The trees are there, they held up the mud into their soil, into their roots. If there are no trees, the soil is loosened up. It can be easily blown up if the rain is there. It can be easily blown up if there is a hard or fast wind is blowing. Alright. So what happens? Erosion is taking place. What activity? Because we have cut the trees. So this is man-made. So we have the desert are formed by man-made work also because of deforestation, and some are there naturally present. Sometimes overgrazing of animals. We take the animals for grazing and they keep grazing the grass, and what happens? They too much they graze up and the land becomes bare, and then the mud is loosened up, soil is loosened up, and it can be easily blown up by the air and can be easily taken up by the rain water. Okay, so I will write here two reasons. One is deforestation. Deforestation is cutting off trees. Second is overgrazing. Overgrazing is when animals are eating the grass too much of a place. Overgrazing. These are two man-made work. This is also because of human being. This is also because of human being. We take up our animals for, this is man-made, okay. Another one is your natural. Some deserts are naturally present. So some are there natural desert. Alright. So these two things. We have learned what is the desert and how they are formed. They are formed by human being activities, human activities, and also they are formed by some natural activities, or they are naturally present. Alright. Next, I told you in the beginning of the introduction of the chapter types of desert. I told you there is hot desert, cold desert, and coastal desert, semi-deserts. Okay, deserts types. So hot desert is there, like sandy, where sand is there all the way. Okay. Cold desert is there, which is always covered with snow. Semi-arid. Semi-arid desert. It is given in your book. See, semi-arid desert. Semi-arid deserts are the desert which is neither hot desert, cold desert. It is a land area, but it is not getting the proper rainfall. Okay, not getting proper rainfall. So this place people are dependent on the other areas. Okay, here last one you have coastal. Coastal is where the sea and land meet. Where the sea and land meet, coastal desert you have. What happened in coastal desert? Because this place is near the sea, this land, so wind is blowing from sea. So already it is not having moisture, so there is no rainfall. Okay. So this places which is near the coast, they do not get moisture filled rain, so there is no rain. So these have very less rainfall. But whereas in our mind we have probably two sets, hot desert, cold desert, icy and sandy. Okay. These two are very uncommon. We don't know much about them. But they are also desert, semi-arid and coastal. I told you coastal where the sea and land meet. Samundra ke tat ke paas. Why? Because there is no, the wind is not full of moisture. So there is no much rainfall. Okay. So these are types of deserts. Next we have, among all these deserts, we are going to learn about hot deserts. We are going to learn about hot desert. Alright. We are going to learn about hot desert, where it is located, what type of climate is there, what type of plants are there. Alright. So hot desert. Hot desert. Now, hot desert is located on both sides of equator from 10 degree north to 15 degree north, that is in the Tropic of Cancer, and in the south also towards the Tropic of Capricorn. See, look at your book on page number 28. What is written on page number 28? Hot deserts? Yes. Hot deserts are located on both sides of equator. So we draw here first equator. Alright. Hot desert is located on both sides of equator. This is your equator. Okay. About 15 to 30 degree near the Tropic of Cancer. So when you count here you have Tropic of Cancer. You know what degree it is? We learned just in the previous chapter. Tropic of Cancer is at what degree? 23.5 degree north. Alright. So it is from 15 degree. Okay, 10 degree. So let's see 10 degrees here maybe. From 10 degree north to 30 degree. Let's see 30. Take 30 degrees here. 30 degree north here. So maybe, or we can say the hot desert is from 15 degree north to 30 degree north in the northern hemisphere, close to Tropic of Cancer. Clear? Once again I will write it clearly for you. We take it. What is equator? 0 degree. Alright. And this is your how much? 23 and half degree. Not coming clearly. 23 and half degree north. So maybe 10 degrees here. From 10 degree north to 30 degree. Let's see 30 degree north. So all this area from here to here, all this is your desert area. Same way if we go to 23 and half degree south, that is your Tropic of which line? Latitude? Capricorn. Okay. So here also we'll take 10 degree south to maybe 30 degree south is your desert area, hot desert area. That's why they said both sides of equator. Near the Tropic of Cancer also and Tropic of Capricorn also desert areas are located. Clear? That's why they are called as tropical deserts. From 10 degree, okay, 15 degree to 30 degree. Alright, so it is 15 degree to 30 degree, and here also 15 degree to 30 degree. Clear? Once again I am giving you a gist. Where is the hot desert located? Both side of equator. 15 degree north to 30 degree north near the Tropic of Cancer, and 15 degree south to 30 degree south near the Tropic of Capricorn is your tropical desert areas. Which are they? If you will look at the globe, you will see which are the places and countries located. See, go to the book. Here you can see the names given. Sahara Desert is there. North Africa, Arabian Desert, Saudi Arabia, Great Australian Desert, Australia, Kalahari Desert, Southwestern Africa, and this is Chihuahuan Desert, Mexico, Thar Desert, India and Pakistan. These all deserts are your tropical deserts. Clear? These are all your tropical. Sahara, Kalahari and what we say these are Sahara and Kalahari in Africa. Okay, and Arabian Desert is in Saudi Arabia and Chinhuan Desert is in Mexico. Thar Desert is in India and Pakistan. Alright, and hemisphere also given. See which hemisphere, they are in the north or south. Sahara Desert is in the north. Arabian Desert also in the north. Great Australian Desert is in the south. Kalahari Desert also in the south. Chinhuan Desert is also in the north, and Thar Desert, which is in Indian Pakistan, also is in the north. Clear? Next you have here climate. What type of climate is found? Climate. Here you have extreme of climate, which we called as extreme type. You know what is extreme type? Extreme type, it is too hot and too cold. If it is summer, it is too hot. If it is winter, it is too cold, like we have here. Now we have extreme type of climate here. Winters are also very cold here and summers are also very hot here. So that is extreme type of climate. Extreme of it. Too hot, too cold. So desert type also has extreme of climate. During the day it is too hot and during the night it is too cold. See, it is given here. Desert heat rapidly during the day and daytime, and similarly cools down rapidly during the night. So during the day it is very hot, during the night it is very cold. Okay, and the temperature, the maximum temperature during the day in hot desert, which is in Sahara, Kalahari, Thar, Arabian Desert, what type of temperature they have? The temperature here during the day, temperature means hotness or coldness of the place. Temperature is 40 degree to 50 degree Celsius. 40 degree to 50 degree Celsius in summer. You can imagine how hot it can be. So during the day it is hot from 40 to 50 degree Celsius in the all hot deserts. Go to Thar, Sahara, Kalahari, Arabian, Chinhuan, all any desert. Okay. So during colder periods of the year, night time temperature can drop to freezing point. And if it is winter season, during the night the temperature falls to 0 degree, freezing point. Okay. The rainfall is very little for the short period, that too between long rainless period, and during the monsoon time there is very less rainfall, that also too long gap is there between the rainy periods. Okay, so that is about the climate. So climate is extreme type, too hot, too cold. During the day it is too hot, during the night it is too cold. Temperature during the day is 40 to 50 degree Celsius and rainfall is very less. So this is all we have for today, children. We have learnt about what is desert. I told you desert is any hot or cold land area receiving rainfall less than 25 centimeter. Formation, how it is formed? It is formed by man-made activities. Man-made activities is deforestation and overgrazing, and some deserts are naturally present. Alright, then we have learned types of desert: cold desert, hot desert, coastal desert, semi-arid desert, and we have learned about hot desert. Hot deserts are located on both sides of equator from 15 degree north to 30 degree north, where near the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere, 15 degrees south to 30 degrees south in the southern hemisphere near the Tropic of Capricorn. Alright, and climate is extreme type. Temperature is during the day 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue with what type of plant life exists there. So your homework, you will read and find out the fill in the blanks. Alright, and read what I have taught you. Alright, if you have any doubt, you can note it down and ask me on Saturdays. The time is already told to you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Study well.